Alrighty, here we have the land of scooters. Welcome to Malaysia. What's so special about these? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I have some ideas because I think I have seen some smoking guns. Let's go further. Bam! There you go. A poop ton of bird droppings on your car. Let's go to the next one. I mean, come on, man. Look at his car plate. Oh, I see. I guess you have to dissolve these cars in tankers of acid to get rid of the poops, like how the guy in Breaking Bad did. This one looks cute though. And this is not too dirty. Okay, you see the positive discrimination. The national car hasn't been affected as much thanks to the patriotic birds.